When it comes down to the future of gas boilers, I do believe we're very much over the hill, should we say. It's definitely peaked in the last couple of years. We've obviously, the last few years, everyone taken a big note on fossil fuels. Burning fossil fuels is such a drain on the planet, and we need to be greener and look after our planet. Basically means that they'll start gradually fading off. Now, I don't think this will be a quick knee jerk. I think it'll be gradual. I'm in my 40s. I believe probably by the time I retire, which is probably going to be 60s, 70s, or if I take after my dad, I'll probably never retire. I think by the time I retire, you'll be slim pickings to get a gas boiler. I do believe that renewables will take over eventually. So we all need to be vigilant about that.